unity in diversity through sport and culture. Being a student, what is your observation?
Since Manipur University highest institution where all the students with different apart, with different culture, different ethnic, that they are studying here, and with this culture and sports meet, all those studying from different community, different ethnic people, they are gathered here, and with their unity and diversity, all those who will be the leader of tomorrow and who are in the highest intellectual stage, all those students, through this, if unity and diversity has been brought, then we do hope that there will be a peace and unity among ethnic people of Manipur, and then LIKLAM has been named in this event, 2022 LIKLAM. So LIKLAM, it means that it has to be followed by the young generation. So those unity and diversity through university student, through highest intellectual student, that has to be followed by the younger generation. It was placed by this social, cultural and sports meet. So unity and diversity was the theme of this LIKLAM 2022.
Kari event di saruk ya weekend kan bir.
Event se CS masana ga ti yaurage hanal se. Atai di audience oi leirage koi player myam leibana moi myam du gi extra curricular activity moi skill myam do moi talent myam do uthok pagi khudong jaw do pina bai hai tare koina sang na yaur khram ni na moi anou myam sin do khudong jaw do pi rage na da ke na.
Thank you. Microphone tinggal lo. Koina unazaga doribasi koi Manipur University ki nuin mangani chathagada cultural madi sport meet ki horom masibu sinbada choba thodang lobiriba Manipur University ki session 2020 madi 21 ki mikhal da mai pakhra badugom ba sports secretary aduni akoi unazaga doribasi okay
yam samna arabada akoi gi hoji sana Sadra mana sadra leba university leba natraga whole leba sadra mayam dina participate tor ko extra curricular the participate tor by education section amane laila su tambari ko leba yam se na akoi gi laik ta mujhe khatam kar leba laik khatam kan ba adu kan hogi sana khana ko sana da bolu na kai da wala ke da discipline maintain tor wala player leba ta di player start ringe player amagi discipline ha maintain tor bhagon ki la adu na si wala ko degi akoi society da sana khana boi sang wala ko degi discipline jing adre maintain tor ko ko to ma ani soje si ji am mo de dina yara gadi lairi bai university na tawa atai lairi ba so de option club sile ko le ma sugumba to civil society CSO na kina am to gidi ba ko le ba adu so akoi gi MU gi sahi gidi bang ba sugumba so committee so sile ko le ba sinam je ha to ma am university committee tam ni ba ma am so ga bi ha ga
Wala kau kena. Wala kau kena.